Professor Julia Del Rosario. Guest speaker, Dr. Rosalina G. Cornell. School consultant, Dr. Dinah Lindo. Beloved school directress, Teacher Neng Sitinga. Principal of Teacher of Three Angels Academy, Madam G. Dalu. Visitors, dearest teachers, loving parents, classmates, a pleasant good afternoon. It is a privilege beyond measure to be given this historic opportunity to present the valedictorian address at this graduation ceremony. Being present before everyone, I feel a sense of pride and joy. I have proven to myself that I can achieve my greatest potential only through hard work, along with determination and perseverance. I am also glad since all my heart, my efforts, and sacrifices have been recognized and rewarded. Many of us have belonged to this institution, St. Dominic Montessori de Manila, since we started kindergarten. I remember it was 2018. I was 4 years old that time. That was my first step into St. Dominic School when I took the acceleration exam with Teacher Neng and Sir Ray being the admission officer during the time. While Mom and Dad waited in the waiting area, aside from my parents and family, Teacher Neng also believes in my potential. I remember my mom telling me that Teacher Neng called me a little genius. Mommy and Daddy are so proud of me. It's very overwhelming for them to refer to their baby boy a little genius. Yet, for me, all I recognize is my passion for studying and learning. Since joining SDM in 2018, I have developed not only academically, but also spiritually, in wisdom and in character. At St. Dominic, I've discovered that our daily decisions shape our future results. My experience at St. Dominic Montessori de Manila has been extraordinary, and I'm confident that I represent us all when I say that St. Dominic Montessori de Manila will truly remain in our hearts forever. I truly cherish my time in kindergarten and elementary school, since all the students at St. Dominic Montessori de Manila are my friends. They are all nice, just like my teachers, my second parents. Since I was 4 years old and now I'm 11, I have loved learning and having fun with the SDM family. Within and beyond the classes, programs, and events, SDM introduced us to excellence and ethical principles. It is now our responsibility to remember and contemplate those lessons, to reflect on the examples set by our teachers and administrators. They have all been essential to our existence here, guiding us on when to use books and when to use skills, for the assistance and commitment they provided us. I wish to express my gratitude. To Teacher Alva, because of you, teacher, I really started to love science. I appreciate your creative and engaging lessons that made learning fun and exciting. Thank you, Teacher Alva. To Teacher Bailey, thank you for your assistance and encouragement, have enabled me to face challenges and obstacles with confidence. To Teacher Nika, you bring such positive energy into the classroom. Thank you for being a mentor, guide, and a friend throughout my academic journey. To Teacher Benhar, thank you for your dedication to your students is truly admirable, and I am grateful for the time and effort you put into teaching us. You make us all physically fit. To my second father, our choir master, and our advisor, Sir Ray. Sir Ray, I want you to know that your enthusiasm for teaching has sparkled a lasting love for learning in me that will endure forever. Your words, kaya mo yan na, It's like saying that I can do everything by believing in myself. I appreciate your trust in me and for recognizing my intellectual abilities like Teacher Elaine did. I really do appreciate you, Sir Ray, for being such an amazing teacher and guide. Thank you for always pushing me to be the best version of myself. Your guidance and support have helped me grow. Thank you so much, Sir Ray. To our dearest teacher, Ineng, your kindness, understanding, and patience have contributed to my growth and success. I am grateful for all that you have done for me and my family. Thank you also for letting me have you. You will remain in my heart and in the hearts of all your students in the years ahead. You've had a significant influence on each of our lives, and we appreciate it. Thank you for everything, Teacher Ineng. To all of you teachers, thank you for always guiding me and treating me like your own son, for the love and support. I truly appreciate all of it. Thank you for being than just a teacher. You are a friend, a mentor, and a role model. I am so grateful for everything you have done for me. Thank you so much, Paul, and I love you all, Paul. To my parents, mommy and daddy, thank you for always being there for us. Thank you, mommy, for being a handsome mom, for teaching us and always reminding us to do our best in everything we do. Daddy, thank you for all the sacrifices you've done for us. You work so hard for us so you can give us a better life and a better education. So me and Yasha can have a better future. Mommy and Daddy, thank you so much for giving me all the best things you could give. I truly appreciate all the wonderful things you have provided me. I appreciate your endless love, unwavering support, and faith in me. You have genuinely provided me with everything, and I am grateful for all the sacrifices you've made for me and Yasha. And the achievements I've experienced have been directly due to the ethic and values you both taught me. I will carry those lessons with me as I start the next chapter of my life. All of this, all of my achievements, is for you, Mommy, Daddy, and Yasha. I wish to make you proud of you. I love you. To my family, Mama Lisa, Mama Ami, titos and titas, cousins, and my grandparents in heaven, Mama Lola and Papa Lolo, Dad Rupi, who also guided me as well. Thank you for the love, support, and encouragement. I know you are all proud of me. To my classmates and friends, the past year has made us into more than just friends. We are now family. We invested numerous hours in studying, motivating one another during difficult moments, and creating memories. Let's dedicate ourselves to upholding the reputation of this self-esteem school, SDM. Let us market SDM significantly and with great splendor. Congratulations, graduates. May every step we take bring us near to our dreams. Remember that every ending is a new beginning. This is merely the start of our learning journey. An exciting opportunities lie ahead. Embracing the challenges in front of you as they will transform you into the amazing individual you will believe you will be. You possess unique skills and abilities. Concentrate on your strengths and don't be afraid to take chances. Walk on the ups and downs because life is a journey. So just enjoy it. Face all of it because God is there to guide you. Always bear in mind that you can make it. Just believe in yourself. Because we are SDM, we all know that basta magaling, bata magaling sa same God value.